teach you how to install Python on your Android phone. To install Python, you need to have Thermos installed. Do not install Thermos from Play Store because it won't work. Always install Thermos from F-Droid. So this is Thermos. Yes, my first time of installing Thermos. So it is install Bootstrap. Let's wait for this. Installing the Bootstrap. This is taking time. So it seems it's my network. Network is unstable. So installing Bootstrap. Let me minimize. I'll come again. Thermos. So this is it. Then all we have to do here is install the basic packages. So here we have G, KG, update. This is the first thing you have to do. To follow this way. Yes. Then it's going to ask for, say yes. It's still downloading. The packages are still being installed. This is we are updating the software. Yeah, just finished. So some packing, everything packing and installing. I'm going to show you magic. Unpacking and installing. Okay. Yes. I'm going to install Python right now. Immediately after this. Successfully, we have updated our Thermos. Then now, let me install Python. PKG. You can say PKG or APT. Install Python. When you say install Python, it's going to automatically install the newest version of Python. See, here we go. It's going to check audio mirror to check if everything is okay. So this is Python going on now. You are seeing you have started downloading. This is Python downloading. It is going to take some time because of the big files, of which my data is slow. This is Python downloading. Yeah. Python has a big file, so all the main component of the packages is very big. So this is one of the components which claim 24 megabytes. Yes, see moving. Is version Python. This one claim 70 megabytes. So you can see I'm working on it. Please use this opportunity to follow my channel so that whenever I drop video, because I'm going to be dropping video every time concerning hacking of website, prevention, precaution, techniques to be used to prevent hacking, and whatever. Anything you need to know about Thamus, I'm going to be dropping it every day, every time. So subscribe to my channel now so that you will not miss out on any of these videos. I will be dropping it very soon. And secondly, I want you to be careful on whatever you do with Thamus. Thamus can destroy many things. Thamus can damage big companies, their servers and many other things. So believe me, whatever damage you do with Thamus is none of my business. I'm teaching this for educational purposes. I'm teaching this for people to be aware of the leakages. So I'm going to teach many things, both how to hack the database of a website, how to uh, implement denials, distributed denials of service, how to send trojans, how to hack phones, how to do many things, how to send ransomware, many things. I'm going to be posting it here. So you have to subscribe or follow us. Whatever you need concerning Thamus, drop it in the comment box below. So this is it. Python I've successfully installed. Then it's unpacking. After this Python, I will stop here because of size of the video. Then in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to install JIT so that you can be cloning JIT file directly from GitHub. That will make it more accessible and easy way to use Thamus. Okay, without JIT, you cannot clone any file. You cannot upload many of the files. JIT will help us in many options, in many places. So this is Python unpacking and establishing. Successfully we have installed it. So I'm going to stop after this. I've successfully unpacked. So see on Python. If you watch very well, it's unpacking Python. Unpacking Python PIP, and successfully PIP is set up. So you can see everything is well set up. So now we have the Python on your phone. You can create website, you can create application, you can do many things with this Python. Thank you. Just remember to subscribe or follow us and activate your notifications so that we can be sending this direct to you. Remember, we are in Facebook, Instagram. Our video is in YouTube, TikTok, and many other places. Check it out. Thank you.